Hello YouTubers, this is my Volvo XC60 2011. It's a D5, and I've had a problem with the passenger, that is left hand side wing mirror. Here it is, and you can see what's just popped up there, this horrible little push on retaining clip, which makes it very difficult to do any wiring repairs or any repairs to the mirror. So I decided to modify it, and this is what I did. You can see I've drilled it out the 10mm diameter to 10.75 and then taper tapped it M12 by 1.25 pitch by 15 deep. And you can see the original OD there, 15mm OD. So these are the tools I used. I discarded that horrible little push-on retaining clip and I bought that tap, and you can see there are a couple of bits of tubing that I had, the original spring and a drill. So I found I had a bolt which was too long. I cut that down to 15mm long. Also had a box of washers, and I found this couple of washers of the right diameter. So I cut the spacer pieces I had down to 10mm wide. So this is showing the assembly. I just screwed the bolt down to the bottom of the thread, made sure it had enough pressure on the spring to prevent the mirror flopping about. And this is what it looks like with it assembled. And it worked perfectly. And I hope this helps anybody else with one of these mirrors.